Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Java arrays can be tricky, but we will master this 2D array problem together in just a few seconds. Let's solve this right now. In Java, a two-dimensional array is actually just an array of arrays. This means the outer structure holds references to other independent array objects that represent the rows of data. Thus, rectangle is an array where each element is itself a one-dimensional integer array. When we access the first index, we are grabbing one of those entire internal array objects. The expression rectangle 0 refers to that first row. That makes option A our final winner. You totally nailed this tricky computer science concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given code to find the correct row.